Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and it's Walkthrough Wednesday. I'm thrilled to have Carling behind the camera.
Hey y'all!
And today we were at the beautiful Linda Moore of Toll Brothers, and guess where we are? The Settlement at 20 Mile. I am beyond thrilled for Linda to show us this beautiful model, and she's going to tell you the specs of it. She's going to tell you all about Toll Brothers and the Settlement at 20 Mile. Thanks for having us, Linda.
Thanks for being here. I'm so excited. So come on, let's go in.
I'm so excited.
This is a breathtaking model.
Are you ready for the view from the front door?
Oh my goodness!
And what model is this, Linda?
This is the Rowen model. It's the Craftsman, and it's 2,930 square feet. But look at this space. It just lives so large.
Wow. It really does. And it really is a wow factor.
Yeah.
Incredible. Let's first go in this great, huge space, which Linda's going to talk about.
This is kind of the drop zone mudroom area. It can be very creative. You can do cabinetry like we've done here. You can do the little bench with the beadboard. You can create something of your own after you move in. Very versatile space that walks into the huge laundry room.
Wow!
It really is a huge laundry room.
And look at the space in here.
I'm shocked, Linda.
It's just huge, and we can even make it larger.
Oh,
But yeah.
Stop!
But we have an option to make it larger, but so much that you can do in here. We've obviously added a sink and lots of cabinetry, but this could be your second refrigerator in the corner under the window. You could put a desk for homework. There is just so much that you could do. A little craft area for the kids. It's just wonderful space. You don't feel like you're cramped in
not.
a teeny tiny little laundry room.
You're not cramped. It's very long, but it's also very wide. So what Linda's saying with all the different options, you really can. So when you come and meet with her, you can talk to her about those options, and she's going to let you know what's best for your family. Okay, love that you have a powder room.
Yes, powder room
Powder
downstairs.
That's just great because when you have guests, they're not having to go in your own personal bathroom, your own personal space.
Very, very, very true.
Oh my goodness.
And then you're walking into the great room, dining and kitchen area that's just, again, just lives large. Everything flows together. In the kitchen, a couple things to point out. All of our cabinetry is the soft close drawers and doors.
So nice.
We have the 36-inch 5-burner gas cooktop, the wall oven. We do the built-in refrigerator space. We've been up and out for the vented hood. So it's just wonderful space. 10-foot ceilings, smooth walls, 8-foot doors throughout the house on the first floor.
Love that.
Yeah.
And look at the huge island. If you can just get
Yeah.
this island, because great for entertaining. And like Linda's talking about, this space really feels so large, but great open floor plan. I can see why this is very popuur. And it's,
And look at all the windows. I mean, the sun.
that's exactly, I can't get over that.
Oversized windows, 16-foot slider. And then, of course, we've got this wonderful outdoor space.
We have to go out there.
Oh my goodness!
Carly, I'm going to open this door for you. This indoor-outdoor space is incredible, and the doors collapse into each other. Very easy. I'm pushing it with one hand. I just want to point that out. Very, very easy to push, but I want to open it all the way. Look what Toll Brothers has done in this space.
I mean, we've got our covered space that's included, but then we've expanded out, and these are things that we can do or you can do after the fact. But the pergola, normally we have pavers out here, which adds a very special touch. And then we've done this.
Look at the seating area.
Yeah.
I mean, this is amazing.
Little bridge, so you can get so creative in your backyard.
And what's really nice, Linda, so with this backyard, if you do not have, let's say, a pet or kids, or you don't need a lot of grass space, I would actually do what Toll chose right here, because you're showing all the different entertaining areas. And then a fire pit. I mean, incredible, because right now it's a beautiful, cool day. I would want to be outside reading a book. And look at this entertaining. Are you kidding me?
And of course, the beer taps and.
So they can put beer taps in for you.
Wow,
What a refrigerator.
We have guests that come out here and just drool over this.
I
Just
bet
sit
they
out
do.
here for hours. It's really quite amazing.
And currently, I don't know if you can from shooting from the outside in, but just to show this great space, very important. Again, very large, and because you said 10-foot ceilings.
10-foot ceiling.
So they're just so high. Obviously, Toll put some beautiful accents with the beams, which is a great option.
And that's what's so great about Toll. Our models are certainly filled with lots of choices that you can include in your home. We want to get your ideas going of things that will personalize it in your home. And of course, we have a very private entrance to your master bedroom. Again, lots of windows in the master. Decorator touches such as the shiplap, but a nice size master.
Yeah, very large,
And
very
then
large.
going into the gem, which is the master bath.
Oh my
It
gosh,
is
incredible.
Just
And here we
incredible.
go.
Show the closets, because this was something that impressed me, is that both of the closets are very large walk-in closets. Sometimes, I was telling Linda earlier, I said, you will normally see one small closet and then the huge oversized one. This one, equally, both people in the family.
Yeah, no fighting over.
No
No
fighting.
fighting over the
Equal
closet.
space.
Yeah.
And
And then this beautiful.
Wow. Look at that shower.
Yeah. This
Linda's
is.
gonna open that.
Yeah, the barn door is,
A
of
barn
course,
door
not
shower.
available in every single home, but this is just something that is kind of a wow.
I love that.
We've had a couple people add this into their home. In the master bath, look, the tub, we've got the 2 sinks with a dressing area in between. Obviously, these are store-bought mirrors, but our mirrors in the master are framed mirrors that blend with your cabinetry. And so we put some nice touches in the master bath.
And you know what's nice? They have a huge linen closet, but also I want to point out this space where they chose to put a tub. What's nice is you can obviously choose the tub also, or what a great space if you needed it, if you had that beautiful piece of furniture, which I
Yes.
notice people are now
Yes.
putting in bathrooms.
Yeah.
There's so much space where you can dress it up, and because of the height of the window, it really is limitless. I love this.
Yeah.
This is one of my favorite
Let
bathrooms.
me point out one thing back here.
Oh yeah.
Secret, we can add a door right here that goes straight into the laundry room.
Oh my
Love that
goodness.
option.
Yeah.
So again, because this is a model, but different elevations, which Linda will talk about in a moment, but different elevations, different choices, it is endless. So you do not have to have the same home as your neighbor if you choose this. So please know that. So also, Linda, why should people choose Toll Brothers in the settlement at 20 Mile? Why the settlement?
The settlement is just this small 101 home community right in the heart of 20 Mile. That's such an incredible area of Nocatee. And we're about 4 minutes from the beach.
We really are.
Yeah, 20 Mile has its own pool, but the settlement is private, it's gated. Every home backs up to nature preserve or to the pond that y'all saw off of my model.
I think that's the big selling point, is that every single lot in 20 Mile is either on a pond or on the outskirts on the preserve. So you have a beautiful view no matter where you live and what lot you choose.
Absolutely.
Also, as Linda said, this is a gated community, and at this price point, you cannot get that in all of Nocatee. So that is incredible. And we are less than 4.5 miles sidewalk the entire way to your feet in the sand in Ponte Vedra Beach.
And that is just a huge draw for this area.
Absolutely.
That and
Look
just
at
at this price point, from the 380s to the 430s, you can't find a gated community
No,
this close to the beach.
absolutely not.
And just look at this area up here, the great room loft area.
Wow.
We've decorated it as a sitting area with a TV, a desk area for the kids, but you could bring a pool table up here. You could, have a game room up here. There's so many things that you could do up here.
Because there's
It's
so much
just-
space.
There's so much space.
So much space, lots of storage.
All right, I'm gonna.
Now we've got these
Look in
2
here.
rooms over here. So just peek into these 2 beautiful rooms.
Yep.
There are 3 bedrooms upstairs, and if you'll notice how large they are, They're not
Wow.
the teeny tiny bedrooms that you often find
Correct.
for guest rooms. These two share a bath. We always have 2 sinks when bedrooms are sharing a bath. And then this is the other bedroom over here.
Love that you did the Nocatee blue tile.
Love
yes.
Nocatee, Nocatee
Yes.
Community
By the
Pride.
way, champions the last 2 years. So the
Right.
young people of Nocatee are elite swimmers, I have
Woo!
to say. And then I do want to show, if you can, Carly,
Yep.
this third bedroom.
Yes, let's
Because
check it
this
out.
one, what's so nice about it is that it has its own bathroom and a huge walk-in closet. So if you have guests, for example, this could be a really beautiful guest room.
Guest room.
Or if you have one child, this could be their space, and your guests can
Man.
actually use those other 2
Mhm.
bedrooms, which I really like.
Or the teenager that has decided they want some space, they want their space away from the rest of the family. This is the great
It's so
area.
true.
And again, just a nice size. They don't feel cramped in here.
Absolutely.
Very large.
So I want to remind people that we are with Toll Brothers with Linda Moore at the settlement at 20 Mile. This is a gated community, and we are in the Rowen model. But how many floor plans do they have choices for here?
We have a total of 6 floor plans, starting at 2,288 square feet, which is my Knollwood, 1 story. Again, very expansive downstairs, big open space. And then this is my largest home. We have courtyard entry garages. We have 3-car garages. So lots to choose from, and Toll is so great with personalization. We actually give you 2 full days at our design studio, and we're getting ready this spring to open up a brand new design studio, which will be off of US 1. So convenient for anyone
Very.
purchasing a home out here in Nocatee and 20 Mile.
Very. So Toll Brothers, been with the Park Group, the award-winning developers of Nocatee, since the beginning. And this is another Toll Brothers beautiful community. So you need to come see Linda Moore today
Yes.
at the settlement at 20 Mile. Thanks for watching.
Thank you,
Bye.
my dear.
Bye.
Bye-bye.